ये कैमरा खाली
ए कृष्णा हाथ खाली करे।
लाइट लेने इधर ले या उधर ले बीच में।
अरे लाइट ये लाइट घुमा ना भाई। ये कृष्णा लाइट करना कैमरा वरची।
And I would like I think
Light
the
निकाला
other
था।
actors of the film please come on stage.
बाजू वाले को बोलो।
Yeah, Uru, Divya, Anaji, yeah, Vikram, yeah. Aisha, Vikram is coming, yeah. And I think Bijon, Parikshit ji. If I have left out somebody from my unit, please come on. I think I have missed out on.
आपको शर्माना नहीं चाहिए।
ऑनलाइन प्रोड्यूसर है।
इंडिया जी को बुला लें तो कोई बुरा नहीं होगा। ऑनलाइन प्रोड्यूसर इंडिया जी।
चल क्या थे बीच में पागल लोग।
I hope everyone is here. Now I would like to invite on stage a person who is doing great work where exploitation of women and children are concerned. I am talking about a man called Ajit Singh, auctioning the dresses of Umrao Jaan, and the proceeds will be going to this organization called Gudiya. He would like to... We will now see, with Amitji's ordered me, so there cannot be any thing but to follow the order. We will now see all the promos